only wanted to make fools of us. I told you we couldn't trust the dilettantes on any account.
Don Ubaldo is too loyal to stoop to an expedient like that.
Do I look as if I were lying? I was stoned and robbed of my clothes.
Perhaps it was a conspiracy. Among our own people, there are those who are fanatics.
Maybe so. It wasn't dilatory. But it does prove that the idea of marrying me to Ines isn't popular.
It is time for us to put an end to this hatred, and this marriage with Ines is necessary.
But, Mother, you mean even after everything they've done to me?
If you were not my son, I would order it.
Keep calm. Calm down. It couldn't have been the Golden Falcon. If that's true, believe me, I'll see that you're avenged. Now go back to your homes and stay there. Above all, keep calm. My soldiers are on the alert, and we'll capture him, whoever he may be. Now be patient, and you will be repaid. Now go home, all of you.
Golden Falcon! We can't have any more of this. Feed my children this winter.
Get him? Yes, we got him here. The Golden Falcon is trussed up like a chicken. They're bringing him in now. Here he is.
Very good. Let's go.
It's incredible. I would never have expected such an insult from a Montefalco. This is a provocation good and proper.
It seems quite impossible, in spite of what his mother promised us.
His mother? But not him!
I have great news for you. The Golden Falcon has been captured.
The Golden Falcon?
Huh? Yes, and I've got him in my hands. I've got him here as a token of my loyalty.
Bring the blackguard in here.
Get moving.
If he hadn't been captured, who knows how far he would have gone in his pillaging and destruction by now.
Well, where is he? Is he coming or isn't he coming?
Of course he's coming. Well, what are you waiting for? Come on, get going.
Yes, my lord.
It's a curious thing that all this was necessary, Father.
You'll soon see why.
Bring him up. Get along there. Move, will you?
What's your hurry?
Be careful with that sack.
Well, he tried to escape. I had to hit him, see?
That's nothing. The important thing is that he didn't escape. Come on. You wait there.
Come in. Over there with him. Ha-ha. Here's the rascal to whom you're indebted, and the traitor to whom you entrusted your good faith. Come on, hurry, untie him. What are you waiting for? That's it. It's the wrong man. Who is he?
This is Giovanni. Giovanni, who popped you in the sack?
It was the Golden Falcon, the Golden Falcon.
Giovanni, what do you mean, the Golden Falcon?
The Golden Falcon! Idiots, you let yourselves be tricked, you stupid fools! Get out! What are you waiting for? Get out of here.
Stop it! Simone, what is the meaning of all this?
You idiot!
I don't understand what went wrong. He couldn't have gotten away like that all alone.
I knew that it couldn't be the Golden Falcon. He's clever to have turned the tables on you.
Inez, I didn't know, believe me. It's not my fault.
Stop here.
Oh.
I heard a noise out there.
Oh, dear. And now what's going to happen?
This way. Come along this way.
I swear to you. As your servant, I swear it's true.
Don Simone is telling the truth. Don Massimo was in our hands, but then he turned into Giovanni.
You hold your tongue. You're
That's
completely
enough. Take
useless.
your petty squabbles out of my house.
But listen, Don Ubaldo, it wasn't my fault. It could have happened to anyone. The Golden Falcon can't be very far away. I swear it. Listen to me.
Watch out. This way. Good night, Father, dear.
Good night.
nasty Falco. Help! Help! Where is everyone? Help! Help!
Yes.
The Golden Falcon. There, he's in there. The Falcon. Oh, Faze, I know.
Guards!
In my room.
That was right after all. Forward.
Oh, careful, careful.
Quickly,
Don't touch the
hurry!
But this is like a labyrinth, round and round and round and round. There's no way out. So is that.
Come, this way. The big brute was about to hit me, to take advantage of me, and I screamed, help, help, and the coward ran away, making faces at me and insulting me.
Making faces, was it? I won't forget that.
Quickly, go and find him. Are you sure about that? Absolutely positive?
Yes, yes, quite sure.
Look here, this is the proof. There's no doubt about it.
A message from Geltrude de Montefalco.
No, don't tear it up. With this letter, we can prove that Massimo is the Golden Falcon.
If they want a war with me, they'll get a war. Guards!
Oh, Simone, my hero, my faithful, brave protector. Oh, Simone, please forgive me.
No, it's I who should ask your pardon for not saving you from Massimo.
Oh.
Guards!
Oh, I can't stand it anymore.
Stop and rest a moment. Oh, dear, what's going on?
Close the main gate. He can't have gone far. You start searching over there. We'll go this way.
We've got to hide.
Yes. Who? Look now, there isn't anybody in sight. Come on.
Not yet. I don't feel it's the right moment to try and run away. We must wait for daybreak, and when everything's calm again, it'll be easy for us to escape. Come on, we'll go back inside.
Bacio! Bacio!
What is it?
It's daybreak. Wake up. Wait, Bacio. Let's look over the wall and see what's happening.
Look there!
What is it?
But this is an imposition. Stop it, all of you.
Have I seen right?
It's Don Massimo.
I thought so. But he's on his way to his ruin.
They've trapped us. Draw swords. Defend yourselves. Courage! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Fight! Fight for Montefalco! Fight for all that! Fight him, lads! We'll beat them yet! That's it, lads!
He's a prisoner.
Get on. Go on. Go on. Oh. Teach you to come here.
They'll kill him, I'm sure. And I was the cause of it all.
But I don't think he'll be killed. He'll get out of it all right. We'd better move fast. This is the moment to get away. There's room down below.
No, I've got to stay. It's his only chance of rescue. We can't let him die alone.
The Golden Falcon is finally ours. Now we can really have some fun.
Take your dirty hands off me. I'll kill the whole pack of you.
Let go of him.
You lot of mongrel dog traitors.
Take back what you just said.
But just give me my sword, you coward.
Stop it, Simone. It was I he offended. And I have the right before anyone else to demand an explanation.
Explain. It's clear that your offer of peace was a fraud.
Massimo di Montefalco, my patience has reached its limits.
Well said.
And it's you who has to clarify exactly what are your aims. What are your intentions?
Yes. Yes, and I want an explanation of your outrageous behavior in my bedchamber, my lord.
I? Outrageous is a word I've never heard used before as a definition.
Just what are you implying?
Ask your mother for an explanation. But Inez, tell me, who is this fool?
Who's a fool?
Simone is my fiancé. Since you've never had the least respect for our agreement of matrimony.
Matrimony? You can still blather of matrimony?
Just where do you want to get with all this nonsense?
If anyone's talking nonsense here, it's you.
I won't permit that.
Please, I beg you,
That
Papa.
silly fool makes me lose my patience. Not only does he insult me, he tries to burn down the castle and the crops standing in the fields. I don't know.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
It's true and I can testify to it.
Biased testimony. If you think you can imprison me by faking the evidence, you're wrong.
No, it's not faked evidence. And here's the undeniable proof.